So this is the Dierya DK63. I'm using brown switches. It also comes with a keycap puller. In case you want to pull out any of the keycaps, it also comes with, like, I think 2 extra spare switches. I'm using brown switches, and here are the different RGB modes. There's this one, rainbow, and this one, it's like a breathing effect between the same color. You can change the color by doing FN enter, I believe. Yep. And then want to change, go FN/ again. Change it to this. Goes back and forth. And /. There's another rainbow. It's like goes outward from this key. FN/. I think it's like anything you type, it just ripples out. You can reduce the speed, I believe, by doing FN like that. Yeah, and it'll go out slower. And then if I want to do it super fast, it'll go really fast. The next one is this. Just traditional rate, goes like up and down, around. This one, okay, that's what this one does. It goes, spirals inward. Again, you could change the color on any of these by just doing this. You can go colorful, red, green, like all the colors. It should be listed in the Amazon listing. And then the next one, just this thing. I don't even know what it's called. And then this, I don't know what it's doing. I'm not even gonna lie. It's very untraditional. I like it like that though. It has a lot of different RGB modes. And this one again, it's back to this typing thing. And then I'm gonna go back to this one, click enter. You can choose all the different colors. Another thing to note is that FNR, if you click R right here, I'm not gonna click it, but the U/B is what switches it between wired mode and Bluetooth mode. So when I first got the keyboard and I plugged it in, it was like, it didn't work. I was like, why won't it connect? That was because to actually switch it into wired mode, it comes with a USB-C cable, by the way. I'm not going to plug it out, but that's USB-C. That is USB, obviously. And then, yeah, other than that, keyboard, brown switches. Obviously, I got to give a typing test. So, put the keyboard right here. Actually, put this right here. This is what the can you see it? This is what the keyboard sounds like. Oh, I gotta get rid of that. It's not amazing, but it's actually not bad. Like gently, you can tell when it clicks down. It's like a little, it's like that. But yeah, that's the keyboard.